Are you tired of government overreach and eroded freedoms? At tac-us.org, we're fighting back. We're the Transparency Accountability Coalition, a non-profit defending your constitutional rights. No partisanship, just principle. From protecting free speech to demanding transparency, we're here for you. Visit tac-us.org to learn more and join the movement. tac-us.org, because your rights deserve a voice. Act now.
Police coming straight from the underground. Young brother got it bad cause he's brown. Couldn't possibly be an FBI agent. City police gonna try and stage it. What's up, everybody? I don't know what channel you're watching this on, JohnFilax, or my second channel, Resisting Without Violence. But welcome. Please hit the like and subscribe, and let's get into this. Some city cop here pulls over this gentleman with dreadlocks and dark skin color because he was quote-unquote swerving. If you believe that, I have a bridge I'd like to sell you. So let's watch this, and I'm going to be pausing and commenting as it goes on.
Open the window for me all the way, please. Put the phone down. Put the phone down.
All right, so first things first. And if you don't like me pausing, go watch the original. I'll link it in the description. He does a stupid, childish knock on the window. You don't have to roll your window down at all in Florida. All you have to do is display or present your driver's license, insurance, and registration. So right away, telling him to roll the window down is an unlawful order, and telling him to put his phone down is an unlawful order.
Can you do me a favor? Open all the windows.
Open all the windows is another unlawful order.
What? Open all the windows?
Why do you want me to open all the windows?
I need you to open all the windows for me right now. Anybody else in this vehicle?
There's nobody else in the vehicle, but you can let me.
You also do not have to answer any questions. Thus, you don't have to roll the window down, and on and on and on.
Okay. All right. You know why I'm pulling you over right now?
Yeah, right.
Okay, I'm pulling you over because I saw you. I was driving behind you. I don't know if you noticed. You were swerving. You didn't indicate your turn signal. Okay, you can record all you want. I mean, I don't know what you're doing there. What you're looking up. You're looking up. You little weirdo.
You're looking up what? What did he say? Something about kids? Are you a weirdo? So now he's calling them names. He used a stupid reason to stop somebody. Any cop that says you're swerving or uses the turn signals or tag lights, those are coward cops. Those aren't even constitutional laws. You shouldn't be able to impede an American's freedom over something so petty. But just remember, a cop will end your life over the most petty thing like they did to Chase Allen.
Do me a favor, open up all the windows, blah, blah. Let's go.
Blah, blah, condescending tone, unlawful order to open up all the windows.
Open all the windows for me.
Sir, why are you making this difficult?
Tell me again why
You want me to make your life difficult? Because I love making people's lives difficult.
Okay, first of all, he's not making your life difficult. You impeded his freedom, and now you're saying, do you want me to make your life difficult? Because you love making people's lives difficult, and that's culture of the police in the United States in this day and age. So he just admits, I love making people's lives difficult, because he's a piece of...
Really? There you go. I just did that. What are you going to do about it? Nothing. Okay, so, now, license, registration, proof of insurance. Can you get off your phone?
Listen,
Your little TikTok thing?
Listen, can you tell me why you pulled me over?
I just did. Are you deaf?
Matter of fact, can you call your supervisor?
Are you deaf?
You call your supervisor?
Are you deaf? Yeah, you use some petty garbage reason to stop a guy in dreadlocks.
Oh, there's no supervisor.
There's no supervisor.
No, there is no supervisor. I'm the most senior officer.
Another lie. You still have a supervisor, even if you're the most senior officer on the road.
On the road right now.
All right, listen.
So,
I'll tell you what.
I would be said supervisor.
I'm gonna let you listen to my music.
Okay, so that's how we're gonna play. All right, step out of the vehicle for me. Step out of the vehicle for me.
Unfortunately, you have to step out of the vehicle. It's supposed to be for officer safety, but the thing is, when you go to court, and this is donut operator's favorite law in the world, and every cop's favorite law in the world, which needs to be overturned. It's called Pennsylvania versus Mims and Maryland v. Wilson, where if a cop feels for his safety, you got to get out of the car, and then they'll just make up any reason. Just like when they off everybody, they say, I feared for my life. Now when they pull you out of the car, they'll say, I feared for my safety. So every law, everything is in the cop's favor. And when you enter a vehicle, in the free country of America, you surrender a good portion of your constitutional rights, which is ridiculous.
Okay, put the phone down.
Listen.
Hold on. Actually, you know what? Do you have any weapons on? Do you have anything you're not supposed to have on you in the car?
Listen.
Do you have
He doesn't have to answer questions.
anything you're not supposed to have on you in the car? You're gonna make this. You're gonna make this
Can I
difficult.
step out the vehicle?
Can you
then?
just
Listen.
answer the question first?
I'll step out the
Keep
vehicle
your hands
for you.
on the wheel.
I'll step out the
Listen
vehicle
to me.
for you.
Follow my directions, and this can go very easy.
Listen, sir.
Again, that's the RAPIST mentality. Just let me do what I need to do to you, or else this is going to be worse and I won't have to beat you on top of RAPEing you.
Listen,
Do you
sir,
want me to get out the car or you don't?
I want you to follow my directions like you just did, like a
Okay,
good boy.
I'm
All right?
I'll follow your directions. Now, did you want
Do
me to
you
get out
have
the car or
any
you don't?
weapons or anything you shouldn't have in a vehicle or on your person at this moment?
No.
No.
Nope.
Okay. Do you have a firearm on you? Do you have a license to carry a firearm if you do?
Are we in Florida? Even if I
Sir,
didn't have a license on me,
answer
you don't
my
even
question.
need
What is this
to
back and
have what
forth?
you're talking about.
Get out of the vehicle.
There we go. Assaulting him because he's not answering his questions, which he's not required to do by law. You have the right to remain silent at any given time. It's not just the Miranda warnings. So he says, do you have a firearm? Because cops are scared of guns more than anything. They want to be able to dominate you and you have no chance to defend yourself. So in Florida, you don't need a license anymore to carry concealed. That's why he said, isn't this Florida? And that's why he went hands-on, because he's so scared.
Okay.
All right, listen.
Hands over here.
I got a gun
Hands over
right
here.
here on my side.
Okay, put your hands up there.
I got a gun on my side.
Okay.
Can you do me a favor?
626, I'm gonna have a disorderly mail.
Listen,
No,
look
listen.
at my shirt.
Disorderly. He was not disorderly one bit.
Rush that
Listen,
back up.
while you searching me,
Spread your feet out.
while you searching me,
feet out.
sir,
Spread your feet out.
while you searching me,
Where's the
could
gun?
you please,
Where's the gun?
on my
Where's the
right hand. On my right hand.
For my safety and your safety.
For my safety and your safety, you should have left that second part out because you don't care about American safety. That's a total lie. All you care about is you, your pension, your paycheck, your ego, and your power trip, and everybody knows it. We're not falling for this crap anymore.
We're gonna do this today, okay?
Hey, make sure when you
Unprofessional demeanor.
do that, while you searching me,
You got big muscles, all right.
my gun
Where
is
is
right
it?
on my chest.
Oh, wow. Oh, on your chest, huh? So we're lying today. You gangbanger? Is that what you're doing here? You're selling drugs?
This is me.
Oh, now he's profiling him. Are you a gangbanger selling drugs? There you go. Why would you say that, officer? What makes you think that other than he's black and has dreads?
No.
Okay,
Okay.
don't
I'm
move.
sitting in the parking lot.
Don't move. You have a license to carry this?
We're in Florida, right?
You don't need a license in Florida to conceal carry. Again, cop doesn't know anything about basic law. All he knows is his own power trip and ego.
But, do you have a
I sure enough do.
Okay.
You know what?
It's called a, hey buddy,
It's around my neck.
it's called a concealed carry permit.
Listen.
First of all, it's not a permit. Permit is something you get for short term. A license is long term. Like it used to be in Florida, you needed a concealed carry license every 5 years or 10 years, and you had to renew it. And secondly, that got overturned when supposedly DeSantis passed constitutional carry, which is still not constitutional. You should be able to open carry just like you can in 45 other states. So this cop has no clue what he's talking about. You don't need a concealed weapons license to carry concealed in Florida.
My license is around my neck.
Oh.
I carry it around my neck.
Okay. Well, first let's see what else you got. So you're lying a bit. Hey, didn't I spread your feet apart? Spread your feet apart, huh? Fucking. Oh, shit.
This is what we're doing.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Listen, can you make sure you get my
What is this?
can you make sure you get my license to carry? My license to carry on my chest.
Is this fake?
Oh, realizes it's a badge and right away says, what is this fake? Again, this cop has a preconceived notion of who this guy is. A drug dealer, black, he has dreads, and then when he sees the badge, it must immediately be fake.
A lot of people like to act like they're cops.
Federal agent.
Yeah, like you. You're acting like you're a cop right now, and you're not. You're the gangbanger here, not him.
Right. Where's the ID? Let's check the ID. Give me a favor.
Federal agent.
Okay.
So now my badge don't even make a
Lean
difference.
against the car. Lean against the car. Lean against the car. So you're a cop. So why wouldn't you tell me?
Why didn't you tell me so I could have treated you like a cop instead of my preconceived notion that you're a drug dealer?
It seemed like you fraudulently pulled me over.
You been drinking today?
Drinking, sir. We don't drink.
Now he switches it to drinking. Because he can't possibly be wrong. You see how that works?
I smell alcohol emanating from the vehicle.
Actually, we're doing an investigation on...
Okay.
And just what? You just happened to pass.
216. Status of that backup.
You just happened to pass. Okay. When your sergeant gets here...
Now he's unlawfully searching his vehicle.
He realizes what's going on right now?
What's going on is that I stopped.
The badge don't make a difference?
Where's the... Okay. So I found your ID.
Because here I have a cop who's doing some things that's wrong. Tell me why, as a police officer... Tell me why another police officer in handcuffs. Over a swerve?
You didn't identify yourself as a police officer. You were swerving, you didn't indicate your...
Oh, you didn't tell us you were on the blue line. That's why. As far as I knew, you were just a drug dealer.
Once again, sir, you didn't call your sergeant here neither.
There's
so
no
the things that we supposed to do here, right?
Okay. All right, let me get these off for you, buddy. I don't know what...
All of a sudden, everything changes. Let me get the cuffs off you now that I realize that you're one of the blue line gang members.
Why are you being like this? I don't know why you're being like this.
I don't know what y'all got going on here.
What y'all got going on?
I'll tell you what.
You know, you
we as agents, we're gonna figure it out. You know, we don't like city cops. You know that, right?
Okay, yeah, we don't like federal cops either.
Agents don't like city cops.
We don't
consider ourselves cops.
What are you, a pencil pusher?
Again, keeps diminishing his character and disparaging his character. What are you, a drug dealer? What are you looking at? X on the phone? What are you, a pencil pusher? Bro, look at what you're doing. Impeding Americans' freedom, making fun of them, profiling them. You're disgusting, bro.
Listen, you could have just... I pulled you over, you could have just identified yourself as a police officer and this would have been done.
If you would have just told me you were a blue line gang member, it would have been done. I wouldn't have done the typical harassing behavior I do to regular citizens who aren't blue liners.
Of course it was.
When I showed you my badge and you grabbed my badge, you still didn't believe it was real.
Because people impersonate officers all the time.
Yeah, like you are right now.
Okay. When I see your sergeant, I'll make sure. When I see your sergeant, we'll make sure.
Well, we don't have to go that far.
Oh, we don't have to go that far. Oh, all of a sudden, it's a huge problem. Because you treat people differently based on skin color, their status as a cop or non-cop, etc. You are a disgusting pig who doesn't deserve to be on this job.
Okay.
No, we won't. We'll go farther than that. Okay. We'll make sure we talk to the... We'll make sure we do a lot of things on this. And I'm pretty sure you probably have other offenses against you. But you have a nice day. And I continue to have a mine.
Listen.
I appreciate you, sir.
Listen.
Sir, I appreciate...
All of a sudden, the blinky light and the alcohol and everything he said he stopped him for, which was all a lie, as you can tell. Because now that he's a cop, all that stuff has disappeared. And he can just leave. What happened? It's all BS, people. Never trust a cop, ever.
You have a good day.
Thank you much.
And there you go. Body Cam Confidential is the name of this channel. Thanks for putting this out there, brother. Whoever you are, he only has 3,000 subs. Give him a like and subscribe. Tell him I sent you. And please subscribe to my new channel, Resisting Without Violence. That's it, everybody. Have a good day. Tonight on Rumble, 8 p.m., we're going to... OG Patriot made a compilation of short videos we're going to cover. Also, please consider joining TAC, which is tac-us.org. We are forming a basically Bill of Rights foundation coalition, whatever you want to call it. And we just had our first board meeting. We're going to be announcing all the board members soon, including Warren Sapp, J-Town Press, This is a Public Service, and more. So thanks everyone for watching. Have a good day. Peace.
Are you some sort of sovereign citizen or something?
No, I'm not, and that's defamation.
I'm sorry? I'm asking you a question. I'm not telling you.
No, sir, I do not work for the police.